Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on the best performance mode on Lenovo G70. To turn on the best performance mode, you can simply click on the battery on the taskbar and you'll see this slider. You can set it all the way to the right to set it to best performance, but it will compromise on the battery life. So I wouldn't have that set all the time. Only like when I'm plugged in to the power or if I'm just needing that extra performance, and then I'll go back to the middle option or even best battery life, which compromises on the performance. But for most use cases, I leave it in the middle, or if I'm having my laptop plugged into power, then I can set it to best performance sometimes. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.